Do you know what to look for when hiring a heating and cooling company for your home or office? We do. Let's meet the experts from Laury Heating Cooling and Plumbing.
We've existed for over 75 years in South Jersey. In 1945, my grandfather started the business, and now we are a fourth generation family-owned and operated business. We offer total comfort solutions and can address air distribution, insulation, and equipment sizing problems.
When experiencing a problem with your heater or air conditioner, the best thing to do is contact a reputable HVAC contractor to diagnose the problem and do a full evaluation of your system.
When choosing a heating and air conditioning contractor, several things are important. Number one, you want a company with a good history, somebody that backs up their work, somebody that's licensed, somebody that's insured. We're a family-owned business, and offering that, we offer personalized service different from a lot of the big box stores.
Our goal when we send a technician to a customer's home is to look at the entire home as a system. We don't want to just fix the problem with a piece of equipment, but rather look at the entire home and see if there are any comfort problems we can address. Problems with humidity, air filtration, maybe that room in your home that just isn't cold enough in the summertime or not warm enough in the wintertime. A home is not supposed to operate like that. It's not normal for a part of the home to be warmer or colder than the others. It's also not normal for a home to run out of hot water instantly. So we want to look at the entire home as a system and correct comfort issues rather than just the part that's breaking on the system.
Regular maintenance to your heating and air conditioning and plumbing is very important. It's not unusual for me to go out and see systems that we've installed 20, 30, and sometimes even 40 years old that has been maintained and serviced, so it's very important to do maintenance so that your equipment will last as long as possible.
Sometimes you'll need to replace your unit. This is an important decision that can actually save you money in the long run. A Laury Comfort Specialist is able to evaluate your needs and design a custom solution for your home.
Sure, properly sized equipment is going to last longer. It'll cost you less to run in utility bills. It'll provide better humidity and temperature control. It'll provide more even temperatures throughout the house. Not to mention address many humidity concerns, which are possibly the biggest comfort issue in our region. Smart home technology specifically related to when you're not home, keeping your home or bringing your home to the right temperature at the right time can save a great deal of energy, not to mention make it more comfortable for you to live in. You could check on a vacation home when you're not home. You could check on your home when you're on vacation. It gives you the peace of mind just knowing what's going on in your home when you're not there. The great advances in technology in the last few years have made the inverter-driven systems as affordable as traditional systems now. Great savings on energy, not to mention the added comfort a system like that would provide. Many times we run into a problem area in a home, part of the home that's just too warm, too cold. In the summertime, maybe the second floor is too warm. We can offer a ductless solution. It's minimally invasive, where we don't have to run ductwork throughout the house. It does not require a major remodeling project. With 0% financing available, often rebates from utilities, from governments, you can get a great system for your home. You want to get something that's reliable, that fits within your budget, and the high efficiency systems are going to provide the same amount of cooling, same amount of heating at a lower energy bill to you.
As a factory authorized Carrier dealer, they're confident that they can provide the best quality to their customers.
We handle Carrier heating and air conditioning products. They have the highest quality available, and that's why we sell them. They offer excellent parts availability and factory support should there be a problem. We have terrific online reviews, and that's how we get most of our business. We are recommended by other customers.
When you call a contractor, make sure you call the right contractor the first time. It's a very significant investment in your home, and you want to make sure you call the right person at the right time.
Want to know more about Laury and all of their expert services? Visit LauryHeating.com or designingspaces.tv.